Comparing numbers. A collection or group of numbers can be compared with each other. On comparing the numbers, we can tell which group is large. The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the largest is called ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from the largest to the smallest is called descending order. If two numbers have an unequal number of digits, then the number with a greater number of digits is greater. If two numbers have an equal number of digits, then we need to compare numbers at each position. The largest four-digit number is 9,999. What should be added to this number to make smallest five-digit number? The answer is, we need to add 1. Let us find out. On adding 1 to 9,999, we get 10,000, which is smallest five-digit number. Can you guess the smallest six-digit number? Smallest six-digit number is 1 lakh. Digits of a number can be shifted to form greater or smaller number. Let us see how. Writing large numbers. Sometimes the large numbers are so large that it becomes difficult to keep track of. Then it helps to use indicators to read and write large numbers. In a decimal number system, the value of a digit depends on its place or position in the number. Each place has a value of 10 times the place to its right. It can be extended to crores. The chart helps in reading and writing numbers and is called place value chart. Number system. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs and crores. Comma is used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crores. The first comma comes after hundreds place, 3 digits from the right, and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000's place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digits, 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakh. In the international system of numeration as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then millions. 1 million is 1,000 thousands. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. It comes after every 3 digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. Let us look at some pointer. 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. 1 millions is equal to 1,000 thousands. 10 crores is equal to 100 millions. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Estimation to nearest numbers. As we come across large numbers, performing calculations on them becomes complex. To avoid the complexity, estimation or rounding off is used. For example, in a school with 496 students, you can say that there are approximately 500 students in the school. Rounding numbers to the nearest 10 means finding which 10 they are nearest to. For example, 23 rounded to the nearest 10 is 20. Rounding numbers to the nearest 100 means finding which 100 they are nearest to. For example, 423 rounded to the nearest 100 is 400. Rounding numbers to the nearest 1000 means finding which 1000 they are nearest to. For example, 3800 rounded to the nearest 1000 is 4000. Estimation of sum, difference, product. Estimation to nearest number can help in the estimation of the sum of two large numbers. For example, add 4780 and 3325. Rounding off 4780 would make it 4800. Rounding off 3325 would make it 3000. Sum of the two, 7800. Estimation to nearest number can help in the estimation of the difference of two large numbers. For example, subtract 22,345 from 29,664. Rounding off 29,664 would make it 30,000. Rounding off 22,345 would make it 20,000. Difference of 2 is equal to 10,000. Estimation to nearest number can help in the estimation of the product of two large numbers. For example, multiply 33,467 and 8,888. Rounding off 33,467 is equal to 33,000. Rounding off 8,888 is equal to 9,000. Product is equal to 33 into 9 followed by 6 zeros, which is 29 crore 70 lakhs. Simplification using brackets. Consider the given question. This question can be solved in two ways. Which is the correct answer? Use of brackets allows us to avoid confusion in the problems where we need to carry out more than one number operation. Let us see how. If the question would be given as shown on screen, it would be easy to calculate. Yes, the answer would be as 17 into 109 is equal to 1853. Let us simplify. This can be solved as 8 into 100 plus 8 is equal to 8 into 100 plus 8 into 8, which equals 800 plus 64, which is equal to 864. Roman numerals. We use the Hindu-Arabic system of numerals. Another system of writing numerals is the Roman system. It is one of the oldest systems of writing numbers, which is still prevalent at many places. Unlike the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, Roman numeral system uses 7 basic symbols to represent different numbers. The symbols are as follows. Look at the table of symbols. There are certain rules to form Roman numerals. They are: 1. If symbol is repeated, then its value is added. 2. The symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated maximum 3 times. 3. The symbols V, L and D can never be repeated. 4. If a symbol with smaller value is written on right of greater value, then smaller value is added to the greater one. 5. If a symbol with smaller value is written on left of greater value, then smaller value is subtracted from the greater one.